Hello everybody, in this video we're going to be discussing list views. List views allow you to display elements in a list kind of fashion. So here we have a list view. When you have lots of things to display, you can put them in a list view. So we can select items here. In some of the list views you can select only one item, but in this list view you can select many items. You can change this behavior in the list view. Let's look at the code on how this program was implemented. So here we have a string array that contains the flag titles. These flag titles are added into this list view. And then we have the images of these countries' flags in the same order as the country names in this array. Then we have a list view that's going to be showing us strings. It's just like the array list. It's going to be new list view, and we take these flag titles, this normal string array, we convert it into an observable array list by using this static method from the fx collections class. We set the preferred size to list view to 100 by 400 pixels, and then by using this method here, get selection model, set selection mode multiple, we change the selection model, so we can select many items at once. So how do we select many items? On Windows you just hold your Control key and just select the items here, or on Macintosh you just hold your Command key and then select items. And then we have the flow pane where horizontal and vertical gaps are 10 pixels. We have the border pane, which is the main pane. The left part of this border pane is going to be holding the list view inside the scroll pane. You can see that we put the list view into the scroll pane, and the center part of this pane is going to be this image pane. Images appear in the right side. So if I make the window longer and select many flags, you can see that when I shrink it, it's going to go down. It's the common behavior for the flow pane. We attach the listener to the list view. You can think of the selection model as an object which is responsible on how you interact with this list when it comes to selecting items. From this selection model we get its select item property and attach the listener to it. It's going to be an invalidation listener. Invalidation listener is simply a listener which notifies you whenever the selection changes, but you don't need the actual values. So when the list is changed or invalidated, what do? We just clear the image pane that contains the images, and then we just loop through all the selected indices in this list view, and then we just show the images of selected countries on the right side. And that's how it works. This is it for the list views. I hope you guys learned something new. Thank you guys for your attention. See you guys in the next one.